Good morning students. Today we shall be reviewing the topics that we have done till now. We have finished two topics, money and banking and government budget. Both these topics are for 6 marks for CBSE examination. Now I will start with money and banking. We have done meaning of money, then we have done evolution and types of money. In types, important ones are fiat and fiduciary money, which you have to prepare for 1 marks. Then we have done meaning of money supply and whether it is a stock or a flow variable. Again, this topic is expected for 1 mark. After this, you have to do measures of money supply, M1, M2, M3, M4. All these 4 formulas you have to prepare for 1 mark. Then we have done meaning of a bank and the difference between a bank and a non-bank financial institution like LIC, etc. Then we switched over to credit creation function of commercial bank. Now this is the most important topic in this and you can expect a 4 to 6 mark question here. Then we have done several functions of RBI. Each function can be asked for 4 to 6 marks or 2 can be asked for 6 marks. Out of the functions that you have done, monetary policy function, या controller of the credit function is the most important one, which can be separately asked for 6 marks. Then after this we have done the topic government budget. Government budget was for 6 marks, where we have defined government budget meaning and the objectives. While defining, we have to use the word estimated receipts and estimated expenses. The word estimation, if you do not write, you will lose marks in the definition. Then there were 4 objectives, out of which we can get a 4 to 6 mark question, and I have done this in detail with you. Then we switched over to the components. The components are revenue receipt, capital receipt, revenue expense and capital expense. You can expect a 4 marks difference in them. The next thing which you have to prepare is classification of items as revenue receipt, capital receipt, revenue expense and capital expense. This can be asked for 4 marks, where 4 items will be given to you and you will be asked to classify them into these categories. Now here you also have to give the reason that why you are calling disinvestment as a capital receipt. Now special mention here is expense by government on construction of schools and construction of hospitals. Now this will be capital expenditure. This I will elaborate in class. Next thing that we have done was meaning of a deficit and surplus budget. This only meaning can be asked for 1 mark. Then we have done various types of deficit, which was fiscal deficit, primary deficit and revenue deficit. In each of these you have to do the formula and implication of each deficit, which can be asked as 3 to 4 mark. So if the formula comes, it will be a 1 mark question. If implications come, it will be a 3 to 4 mark question. Then next thing which is important is difference between a direct and an indirect tax. It is for 4 marks. And the last topic which we have done was which budget is recommended in case of excess demand and deficient demand. These were the topics of self-exploration. You were supposed to find out the answer and make notes of this topic. Now what is expected from you is that you have to cover all these topics and prepare notes in your fair registers as per the marks mentioned against them. For example, meaning of money 1 mark, fiat money 1 mark, fiduciary money 1 mark. So accordingly you please prepare notes in your fair economics register. Once we get back, I would like to see the work. And today being Saturday, I want all of you to work on your project files and move a step ahead in that. Mind you, these holidays are the best time to prepare your project files. All the best. Have a nice day. Thank you.